Hello everyone. These are some photos of the sky from September 6th, and in this one you'll see the sun. You can see it as a disk, and now that I'm watching the video I just noticed this line right here and this shadow. Like, this part of the sky is all dark. I have no idea. I didn't really notice it when I was looking, because when you're looking at the sun, towards the sun like this, you can't see anything. I just aim the camera because it's so bright. Anyway, I'm going to show you this, and then two other short little videos of the sky which show a white line across the sky, and then a couple of seconds later it's gone, or minutes I should say, which was kind of odd, and some guys, Chinese guys, working on a building. Anyway, here we go.
It is September 6th, 2013, and this is the morning. It's about 7:30, I think, in the morning, and it's been raining for 2 days, and the sun looks like this. It's that funny-looking sun where you see a disk. You don't really see light rays. So let's see, there it is. If it goes behind clouds, you can actually see it, the edge of it, but why do we see the edge of the sun? Not sure if I'm catching it, but here's what the rest of the sky looks like. Just that kind of stuff. And so it's not the big, it's not a sun with a bunch of rays shooting out everywhere, but it is, you can see the edge of it. There it is. Good morning. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone with some truth, a piece of the puzzle. Bye for now.
Okay, so that was the first one, and then the next ones are in the evening. And you know, in Luke 21:25, I think that's what it is, it says Jesus told them there will be signs in the sun and the moon and the stars, and there definitely are signs these days. Kind of exciting. Okay, here's the next one.
This is so strange. I just made a video with that white line, it just disappeared.
Wrong one. Do this one first.
It is September 6th, 2013, and it's 6:34 sunset time and 6:35. So just checking out the clouds, and wow, there's this really huge pink one over there. The sunset over that way, and I think the dramatic summer skies are gone, but there's a really cool cloud tower reflecting pink from the other side, eastern side. I think that might be, yeah, that's east. Lots of sparrows running around, and then there's this white thing here behind the very gray clouds. See that streak? That's a deliberate streak. Because it's the Four Seasons Hotel. Because clouds don't come in streaks like that. Anyway, that's what it looks like tonight. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so now the other one. Back it up, start over.
This is so strange. I just made a video with that white line, it just disappeared. It's like 2 minutes ago. Look, gone. Totally gone. See? The pink cloud is still over there. That's what it looks like. 4 seasons, that, and the white line is gone. Just totally freaking disappeared. Something's catch you by surprise, you know? Alright, they're building something over there. I'm gonna go find out what is going on. Look at those guys standing up on top of there. That is interesting. That's my ferry pier. Wonder what's going on over there. They're putting the last finishing touches on that. Time to find out what that is. See, there's the ferry pier down there. Some boats over there. Really kind of eye-catching, this thing. What are they doing? Thank you for watching. Be safe, everyone. Pray and fast for the earth and for God to be closer to you. That's how we get God to move in our lives. And if Muslims are praying 5 times a day, and the Luciferians are practicing all their rituals, shouldn't Christians or believers or people who want to call on God make some effort to gather or to, move the spirit to do something instead of just, that's what I think. I think other people...
I just realized something. Look at these 2 boats, how close they're coming. So Victoria Harbor in Hong Kong is one of the most crowded harbors in the world, and there was a horrible accident on the ferry that I take now. I wasn't taking it at the time, but a lot of people died. Anyway, look, that's pretty close. They have to slow down if that happens, but sometimes they can't, and they crash, especially when it's foggy.
Are doing something to get the forces to work in their favor. And if we believe in God and the Holy Spirit and Jesus Christ, we should be doing things much more actively, I think. That's my opinion. All right, then. Bye for now. Have a look at that little cloud. Something funny about these little grayish clouds. Nano-looking furry clouds. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and that the thing that they're building on top of the ferry pier is for Dior. Lady Dior, they're having some kind of a bazaar, something up there, so they rented the top of the ferry pier, I guess. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.